Ever wondered how the quality, safety, and efficacy of drugs are ensured? Well, it's not just about the ingredients or the manufacturing process, but the systems controlling these processes. Enter Computer System Validation, or CSV for short. This is a critical regulatory requirement for pharmaceutical companies and other organizations in the life sciences sector. The CSV process is an assurance that computer systems and their software are reliable, accurate, and secure. It's a meticulous process ensuring that these systems meet both user requirements and regulatory standards. Over the course of this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step explanation of the CSV process. From planning to testing, documentation, and maintenance, we'll unravel the intricate processes that make sure our medications are safe, effective, and of the highest quality. So let's dive in to discover the intricate process behind the CSV, ensuring the efficacy of our medications. The first step in the CSV process is planning. It's like setting out on a journey. You wouldn't start without knowing your destination, right? The same principle applies here. We begin by defining the scope of the validation project. This includes identifying the computer system and its software that will undergo validation. Once we have a clear picture of what needs to be validated, we move on to establishing user requirements. These requirements are essential as they give us insights into what the end users expect from the system. This stage is not just about jotting down a list of requirements. It's about understanding the functionality that the system must deliver to meet the user's needs. Remember, a well-defined plan can save time, resources, and ensure a smooth validation process. With a comprehensive plan in place, the groundwork for the CSV process is set. This gives us a clear path to follow as we move forward with the validation. Next, it's time to document the user requirements. User Requirement Specification, or URS, is a crucial step in the computer system validation process. It's the stage where we define and document the requirements for the computer system and its software from the user's perspective. Why is this important, you might ask? Well, understanding user requirements is essential for designing and testing the system. It ensures that the system will meet the needs of its users and perform as expected. The URS includes details such as operational requirements, performance requirements, and security requirements. Think of it like a blueprint. It outlines what the system needs to do, how it should perform, and the level of security it needs. This blueprint then guides the design and testing process, making sure that the final system meets these requirements. In essence, the URS is the foundation of the entire validation process. The URS forms the basis for the design and testing of the computer system. Once user requirements are defined, the design and installation process begins. This phase comprises two crucial steps: design specification and installation qualification. Design specification, or DS, is where the detailed design of the computer system and its software is documented. It's like the blueprint or the master plan. It captures the intricate details of the system, ensuring that the software aligns with the user requirements specified earlier. Next comes the installation qualification, often abbreviated as IQ. This step is all about testing and documenting that the computer system and its software are installed correctly. It's like the quality check of a newly assembled car. The IQ ensures that every component is in its place and functioning as it should. These two steps, the DS and the IQ, ensure that the system is not only well designed but also correctly installed. With a well-designed and correctly installed system, we are ready for the next phase. Now that the system is designed and installed, it's time to test its performance. We dive into the operational qualification, often referred to as OQ. This step is all about making sure that the computer system and its software perform as intended. It's like a dress rehearsal before the main event. The purpose of OQ is to challenge and verify the functionality of the system. This includes testing the system under normal and abnormal conditions, ensuring it can handle a variety of scenarios. During OK, we make sure that the system behaves as expected, even when it's not a perfect day in the digital world. Now, let's move on to performance qualification, or PQ. While operational qualification checks if the system performs as designed, Performance qualification ensures that the system can consistently perform according to the user requirements under real-world conditions. It's like the final exam, assessing if the system is ready to be launched into the real world. During PQ, we run test cases that imitate real-life scenarios. We check if the system can handle the load, maintain data integrity, and perform reliably over a prolonged period. The PQ is a critical step in the validation process because it provides the confidence that the system will perform as expected in the hands of the end user, consistently and reliably. The OQ and PQ are like two sides of the same coin, both crucial for ensuring that the computer system and its software are up to the mark. The OQ tests the system's functionality, and the PQ ensures it meets user requirements. Both stages involve rigorous testing to ensure that the system can handle a variety of scenarios and perform consistently under real-world conditions. What's more, these stages help us identify any gaps or issues that need to be addressed before the system goes live. It's all about making sure that the system is not just functional, but also reliable, accurate, and secure. Through rigorous testing, we ensure that the system is reliable, accurate, and secure. Finally, the entire process is documented in a validation report. This comprehensive report serves as a written record of the validation journey. It chronicles every step taken, from the initial planning stage to the final performance qualifications. It's a testament to the rigorous testing that the computer system and its software have undergone, capturing the results and noting any deviations or issues encountered along the way. But the validation report is more than just a document. It's a validation of the dedication to quality, safety, and efficacy in the pharmaceutical industry. By adhering to the process of computer system validation, we ensure that the systems we rely on are accurate, secure, and most importantly, reliable. We've walked through the process, we've seen the meticulous attention to detail, and now we can confidently say that with computer system validation, pharmaceutical companies can rest assured that their systems are reliable and contribute to the development of safe and effective drugs.